Pandil sir, HOD of a government dental medical college. It's our proud pleasure to have you as a guest sir. He has many qualifications to his credit. He done post graduation in ENT from St. George Medical College, Mumbai. To felicitate his dynamic personality, I would like to invite Miss Sanjana to do the honor. As we all know that he has no need of any introduction. So I would like to call Mr. Sumi to felicitate Mr. Kiran sir. Sure. Someone well said that the only disability in life is a bad attitude. What do you think? Is it right? I think it's 100% true. As we delve into the subject of mental health, it is essential to recognize its significance in our life. Mental health encompasses our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. This event is the testament to our commitment to understanding and promoting mental health in our community. Each one of you has the opportunity to share your insights and thoughts about the mental health. Remember, our ultimate goal is not just to compete, but to learn from one another and share some views and make a culture of a mental health in our community. Our judges have the difficult task to evaluate your speeches on the basis of your content and how you deliver your speech and the body language. So, without wasting so much time, let's we commence with our first speaker, Miss Srushti. Please come here. Everyone. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we are gathered here to discuss on the vital topic that is mental health in our modern world. And in the beginning, I would like to request you to please imagine you wake up in the early in the morning and you are feeling physically drained. Not because you didn't get enough sleep, but because you are feeling your mind is feeling heavy and your mind is feeling heavy and full of thoughts that is suffocating you. So, this is the problem of million people situation, and I please help everyone to overcome this problem. Thank you. Good luck. Thank you, Shri, for sharing your precious words and ideas. So now it's time to call our next participant, Miss Rajkanya. Please come over. Good evening, sir. Good evening, this sir. And good evening, my dear friend. Today I am here to deliver a speech of mental health. As you know, mental health is very important in our life because mental health and physical health each other, but mental when both are equal balance can be called person perfectly healthy and well. Mental health mental health affected us to can we think can we feel and we can act but mental it including economic physically and social well-being. Mm, mental health can uh, mental health help to determine to and we can improve our depression stress and analytics and it help uh, it mental health we can how we can manage mental health we can by yoga meditation reading book and listening song and etc. Mental health should must be important as the physical health because we need healthy mind is necessary to the healthy body. Thank you, Rajkarna. You well said about the mental health. Now I would like to call Mr. Gaurav. Please come in front and share your view.
Good evening, all of you, and respected sir. I am Gaurav, and today I am here for speak some words on mental health in our social life. Do you know, guys? World Health Organization (WHO) says health is wealth. do you know health is really important? But do you know, guys, many people are suffering for mental disorder because mental disorder is too much bad in our social life. Do you know, guys? I observe one thing. I would like to share my personal experience. Whenever I go to my college, and many students criticize to me, your voice is like a girl, and you talk like girl. It's a too bad, sir, because they are always demotivated me, and it's the effect on my mental health. And before joining this class, I'm totally weak at my mental health. But when I joined the Oxford University, Kiran sir always supporting me, always motivated me, and he says you can do meditation and you can do exercise, and it's a really effect on me, sir. Thank you, sir, always supporting for me, and really, guys, mental health is very important in our life. Thank you.
Thank you, Gaurav, for your remarkable speech. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the participants for their dedication and efforts to taken for the preparing today's competition. Your speeches was not just a word; it was a gift wrapped in a packing paper. So I am requesting each one of you to present out here to give a big round of applause for yourself. Now, I would like to formally welcome our renowned chief guest, Dr. Kandil sir, to put his valuable words on the mental health. Please come, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for having me this evening. Today's the topic is mental health, so I will not take much of your time and I will not make you mentally. Okay. So, before going to that, I would like to ask you one question. What, according to you, who is the happiest